Hello, grades 10, 11, and 12. I hope you guys are well. Let us solve the problem given on the board. The instruction says, calculate the values of x and y if x is the sum of 2 and y. 5 times the product of x and y is 6 more than the square of x. The first thing which we need to do is to actually come up with equations that will represent the two statements given on the board. The first equation will be x is the sum of 2 and y, so we'll get x being equal to 2 plus y. That is the first equation. The second equation, they say 5 times the product of x and y. 5 times the product of x and y is 6 more than the square of x. This should be equal to the square of x, x squared plus 6. That is the second equation. From there, it's just a matter of us having to handle equations simultaneously. So we'll say substitute x into the second equation. To get 5 in the place of x, we'll have 2 plus y by y being equal to, over there in the place of x, we'll have 2 plus y all squared plus 6. This side, it's just a matter of us having to distribute, and that side, it's just a matter of us having to expand. So y by 2 is 2y by 5, will give us 10y. Y by y is y squared by 5, we get 5y squared. If we expand that, we're going to get 2 by 2, giving us 4, plus 2 by y is 2y, plus 2y, we get 4y. Y by y will give us y squared, plus 6. Then from there, we'll have to take all the terms on the right hand side and move them to the left hand side. 10y plus 5y squared, 4 plus 6 will give us 10. Brought this side, we get negative 10. Then we get negative 4y, negative y squared is equal to 0. Then we add the like terms. 5y squared minus y squared will give us 4y squared. 10y minus 4y will give us 6y minus 10. This is equal to 0. As you can see, between 4, 6, and 10 we have a highest common factor which is not 1. In this case, the highest common factor is 2. So we divide throughout by 2 to get 2y squared minus 3y minus 5 is equal to 0. On reaching this point, we'll have to factorize. We have 2y here, so meaning that the factors of 2 are 1 and 2, so we'll have 2y and y. Over there we have negative 5, the factors of negative 5 are negative 1 and 5, we also have negative 5 and positive 1. Okay, which factors do we have to use here? Okay, this one should be negative 5, that side we should put positive 1. Alright, meaning that 2y is equal to 5 or y is equal to negative 1. Y is equal to 5 over 2 or y is equal to negative 1. These are the values of y. Now we need to determine the values of x. Let's go up there and say substitute y into the first equation. In doing so, we'll get x being equal to 2 plus 5 over 2, or x being equal to 2 minus 1. X is equal to 2 by 2, 4 plus 5, we get 9 over 2, or x is equal to 1. So we also have the values of x, meaning that we've managed to solve the problem. Thank you very much for watching. For more information that could be of assistance to you educationally, please kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel at PP Maths and Science Lab.